Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Oh, thank you guys for all your comments, for sharing and liking these videos. Well, someone asked where can we find more of these videos. We keep them on mothereagle.net or on the YouTube channel. Well, our daily inspiration for today is teaching others how to treat you. This is such an interesting subject because, when we are walking around in the world, in your workplace, in your home, you're dictating and you're giving off a vibe of how others should treat you. Welcome. Leave a comment below where are you watching from, and the vibe you give off will dictate how others will approach and behave around you. But before you teach others how to treat you, you have to figure out who are you, what are your values, what are your standards. What will you say yes to? What will you say no to? You have to know who you are and how your standards are, and upholding those standards. If you say you have a boundary of a certain thing and yet you break that boundary all the time, it will be hard for others to respect and value you. So if you are respecting yourself, others naturally will respect you. I'll give you an interesting example of maybe a couple, husband and wife, and then if you're talking to the wife, if she's talking bad about the husband, you automatically start looking at the husband funny, based on what the wife is telling you. And if you're talking to the husband and the husband is talking good or bad about the wife, you start treating them that way. You see how this works? So as you're doing your everyday things, remember all your actions are showing the people outside of you on how they will treat you and approach you. So if you find that everybody approaching you and talking to you is disrespectful, or they tend to break your boundaries and do things you don't like, chances are that is the vibe and the energy you're giving to them. You're showing them that your standards are this low. So figure out your standards, your values, and uphold them, so that when others start treating you or approaching you, they'll approach you right based on your high standards that you've set and that you are upholding. I hope that helps. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.